Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Taurus placements. Ay, okay. So, sino ni-stock mo, Taurus? Sino ni-stock mo? Anyway, so, Taurus placements, this is your general and love reading. Okay, for the rest of January. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga item, okay, we do have protection from evil eye, meron din tayong love bracelet, meron tayong granter, and cord cutting. So kung may tanong pa, just message me sa akin pong FB page. And kung gusto nyo na magpa-reading naman kay Perception of Light, so ito yung kanyang FB page. So, yan po ha, Perception of Light. So, type nyo lang yan. Lalabas naman yan, okay? And, sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po, okay? Kuya Dingsi. Dingsi is one word. Okay? So, yeah. Let's start the reading. Unahin muna natin yung general. Ano bang meron? Ano pang mangyayari for the rest of January? Ano pang meron in general? Kung may specific, babanggitin natin. Okay. Taurus, what's for you this January, for the rest of January? 7 of Pentacles in reverse. What's that? May naririnig ako, boredom. Boring. Ano tong 7 of Pentacles na naka-reverse? Or talaga namang may masasayang na mga pera? Meron? Oh, this is talking about health. Somebody's health. Meron ditong parang hindi masyadong nagbibigay pansin sa kanilang mga health. Okay? A mother's figure. Mother figure. Father, mother figure. Yeah. Be careful. Okay? So, ayaw natin na pupunta pa tayong ospital, whatsoever. This is health. The 9 of Pentacles. Commit. Okay? Yung iba dito, sabihin natin may mga kailangan tayong talagang bigyang focus, no? Hindi ko sinasabi na pwedeng sa'yo to. Kasi pwedeng, this is Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Somebody's health. Sabihin natin pagtuon ng pansin or pagtutuon ng pansin. Ngayong, bago matapos ang January. See, strength is in the reverse. This is health. Sana walang magkakasakit. Okay. What else? What else? Queen of Wands in reverse. Nawawala yung passion pagdating sa isang bagay. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng napapabayaan talaga yung sarili, ha? Or may napapabayaan na ang sarili dito. Hindi masyadong na-check, hindi masyadong napapansin, or what? What's with this? See, the 7 of Swords. Iba sa inyo, I'm seeing here mistresses. Ang dami. Mistress. Energy ng mistress or energy ng nakatagong tao. I don't know bakit itatago. Sa tarot, Queen of Wands in reverse is the mistress. Kabit. Okay? Some of you, this, the Knight of Wands. This is nangyayari sa workplace, Yeah, mga ganyang bagay. This is work. This is cheating. I have to say it. Para aware. See? There's somebody else. Some of you, I'm seeing here pregnancy. Unprotected sex. There's pregnancy here. One night stand. Unprotected sex. Pregnancy. Be careful. Just be careful. Yeah. Malalayuan nyo naman to kasi nababanggit na. Alam nyo na kung ano mga kailangang iwasan. Di ba? Mas maganda. What else? Knight of Swords. What's with that? The Empress again. In reversed. Arguments. Some of you, arguments, yeah. Around sa bahay, sa trabaho, sa business, kung ano man. Some of you, wag agad-agad pipirma. Basahin nyo muna mga pinipirmahan or mga pipirmahan. Avoid rush decisions. Yeah. So yes, pregnancy is present. Energy ng pregnancy. This is excitement. The Hierophant in reverse. Hindi naman magko-commit yun or hindi naman maging responsible kung sino man, kung ano man. The Fool, magtatago pa yan kung sino man. I'm sorry, pero yeah, the Ace of Wands. Sex. Taurus, be careful. You have to be more careful. Okay. Avoid rash decisions. I don't know kung ano to. Or parang mga pabigla-bigla. Alam nyo na yun. Biglang mga pagdedesisyon. Okay? I'm seeing here a single parent na totally parang sobra ng stress. Kaya nagmamanifest na sa health nila. Okay? So there. So yun aking mga nakikita. I'm sorry, pero yung mga ganyang bagay, yung mga ganyang hindi maganda, gawin yung gabay. Okay? Hindi naman tayo laging masaya eh. No? Hindi tayo palaging maganda ang reading. Kailangan rin ng ganito para balance. So kung anong lumabas, ayun ang babasahin ko. Tagabasa lang ako. Yeah. Okay. So, the person on your mind. So, who's the person on your mind, Taurus? The person on your mind. Who is this person you're thinking of? Anong meron sa kanya? Let's see. Para alam mo na siya to. And the Two of Wands in reversed. Okay, what's this? Two of Wands in reversed. The Eight of Pentacles. Siya yung taong hindi marunong gumive up. May pagkamasipag, iba sa kanila. Strong. Fire sign, earth sign. Pwedeng nakakasama mo sa work or nakatrabaho mo. Gusto mo makasama itong taong to actually, pero sa tingin ko hindi pa siya nasang-ayon na tumira kayo sa isang bubong, no? Sa isang bahay. I don't know why. Meron silang mga sariling decision. Meron silang mga sariling plano. You can't control this person. You can't. May mga sarili siyang plano at decision sa buhay. Anyway, so what's the situation? Anong sitwasyon nyo, Taurus? Okay, the 5 of Cups. May mga nasasayang. May mga isinasalba pa. I think. Yeah, the Justice. Itong taong to, kailangan nyo merong pag-usapan, pagplanuhan, pero hindi ko alam kung nagtutugma yung intensyon or mga plano nyo. Meron ditong okay, tama na to. Okay na kami dito. Okay na ako sa ganito. Pero meron ditong nag-insist na meron pang mas marami pang dapat gawin or mas marami pang dapat i-fix. Kasi nandun yung panghihinayang sa sitwasyon. Yeah. The missed opportunity. Oh. Alam nyo, nakakuha ko ng energy dito na somebody is takot at nangihinayang na totally mawala ka, Taurus. Yeah, maybe this person is afraid then, or vice versa, or flip yung energy. Somebody is afraid na hindi mag-workout or hindi ma-fix kung anong meron sa inyo dahil sa tingin niya, or dahil sa tingin kasi yung situation is may potential naman talaga na maging tama, maging okay. So hindi hahayaan talaga na masayang. Hanggat maaari, iba rito may legal actions, may mga legal issues na kailangan talagang idaan sa mga tamang action. Okay. We have here Libra, water, earth, fire. So, ano bang emotion niya for you right now, Taurus? What is their emotion? Miss opportunity. So, I guess ayaw nila ng miss opportunity with you. That is why Ace of Pentacles in reversed. The Knight of Pentacles. Nangihinayang or sabihin nating nasasayangan itong taong to kasi walang progress na nangyayari. This is so slow. I don't know kung bakit nagiging slow or talagang hindi lang magtugma yung plano or intention ng isa't isa. Yung isa gusto kanan, yung isa gusto kaliwa. So, papaano? Meron mga kailangang ialis na yung mga stress, yung mga drama. Ayaw na ng drama. Let's have a new beginning. Pero meron ditong hindi nakikipag. Alam mo yun, may pagmamatigas. May pagmamatigas. I don't know, Taurus, pwedeng itong person na to ang siya nagmamatigas. And ikaw itong parang nakikipag-ayos. Parang hahayaan. Okay, sige, hahayaan ko to. Ikaw ang gumawa, ikaw ang umaksyon. Okay? Pagmamatigas, wala silang gagawin. Or maybe, ganun ang tingin niya sa'yo. Masyado ka daw matigas. Let's see. Alam nyo, itong gantong read, pwede nyo namang ilagay sa kung hindi naman, kung yung iniisip mong tao is hindi naman love, no, related, then, yeah, if this is talking about business, then, diba, doon mo siya i-fit. Okay? So, let's see. What is their next action towards you? The Three of Wands. Rating. Expectations. Yeah. Na maging okay, I think. Pero baka siya nagmamatigas, no? Maybe ikaw talaga yung nagmamatigas na sa situation, Taurus. And hindi sila makagalaw, hindi sila makagawa. Hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin. So, ngayon, expectations. Waiting for the right timing, maybe. So, maybe, inihintay ka lang nito na mag-cool down ka. To settle the dust. Andito yung hindi ka pipilitin. Meron ditong hindi pagpilit, hindi pag-force. No, kung anong dapat gawin. Kung anong dapat mangyari. Going with the flow, ika nga. Sabi. Hindi kasi mangyayari na magiging okay kung magkasaliwa, diba? Magkaiba yung inyong mga desisyon. Dapat maging isa yun. So, anong outcome? Slash advice for you. So, maghihintay na lang tong person mo sa right timing. Or siguro, yun nga, palalamigin na muna ang sitwasyon. The Hanged Man in reverse. So, nandyan yung okay, hindi ko muna ito masyadong pagtutuon ng pansin ko anong meron sa situation, maybe. No? And, kasi, yun nga, palagi nating sinasabi, kung yung kung utak mo, no, is laging nandyan, na parang nag-hold on ka sa kung anong meron na hindi naman umuusad, may stuck ka. Yeah. Okay, so you have to release. You have to accept things. Kung hindi maganda, kung hindi okay, just accept things. Sinasabi rin dito na magiging okay rin eventually. I don't know how, I don't know why. Okay? You have to surrender all. Kung anong kailangang i-surrender. Everything. And yes, sabi ko nga, hindi dapat ito i-force. Mahihirapan ka lang din. This is maybe the right timing or ang tawag dyan, divine timing. Si universe ang gumagawa nito. So, kung ikaw, gagawa ka ng something, okay, ipipilit ko to. Kailangan to, kahit ayaw mo, dapat ganto, ganyan. Ikaw lang mahihirapan. Hindi yung tao ang kalaban mo. Hindi yung sitwasyon. Si universe. Okay? Yes. Para ka nakikipaglaban sa hindi mo nakikita. Hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin. Mapapagod ka. So, pinaka is don't hold on. Let go, surrender things, and, diba? Yun na lang. Mahihirapan ka lang din kung i-force mo yung mga bagay na hindi dapat. Okay, so, see, mas stuck ka. Kung sabi ko nga, may stuck ka kung hayaan mo yung sarili mong nakakapit sa mga hindi nausad na tao, sitwasyon, kung ano man. Okay, so we have here Pisces, water, fire, earth, Libra, water, earth, and fire again. So, tayo tungo sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. This is for the zodiac sign you're dealing with. the zodiac sign you're dealing with. So Aries, hard-headed. You can't control them. You can't. Taurus, overthinking. Some of them, they're sad, stressing out, depressed, overthinking a lot. Gemini, distancing. Alam mo, madalas tong si Gemini tulala kung ano man. I don't know why. They're in their emotions. Cancer, they're moving on. Leo, their back is turned. Being hopeless, maybe. Kaya sila parang okay. Hayaan ko na lang. Virgo, they're manifesting you. They're manifesting you. They want to communicate. They have these plans. Kung ano man. Maybe. Libra, they want to take risk. Some of them, they want a new beginning with you. They want to see you. They want to travel near you. Yeah, they're sad actually. Scorpio, their option is open. They have a lot of option. Yeah, some of them, pwedeng, if they're trying to move on, ginagawa nila is bypassing healing. Connecting kung kani-kanino to divert, no? Yung kanilang emotions, maybe. They have options. Sagittarius, feeling nila end na totally yung inyo. Wala nang pagbalik. Feeling nila wala na, as in. Oh. Capricorn, delays. Keeping tabs on you. Aquarius, so namamatay na. Oo, nawawala na, nagiging weak na yung kanyang emotion, like, or yung connection. Parang ganyan. Next, Pisces. Oh, they're stressing over you. Yeah, they're stressing over you. Some of them, kung may separation dito na nangyayari, ang ginagawa ng mga to is talagang nakikipag-usap kung kani-kanino. Okay? Inom doon, inom dyan. Gala doon, gala dyan. And in the end of the day, pagbalik niya sa bahay, sa kwarto, doon siya. Oo. Niyayakap ng kalungkutan. Ganon yung, ganon ang nangyayari ngayon kay Pisces. Sa totoo lang, they need you. They need you. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Taurus placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.